In today's video, you will see some myths and facts about watermelons. Watermelon is a favorite of ours, and here you can find out why you should eat watermelons, the benefits, how to use the rinds, how to choose the best ones at the market, and how and why consuming watermelon seeds is good for health. Have you watched any of those videos yet? If you like watermelons as much as us, you will be surprised by what we found out. Watermelon is good for the bones? True. Because it is a big source of calcium, watermelons aid in keeping and strengthening the bones. Also, the lycopene found in the fruit stimulates bone formation and prevents their degradation, fighting osteoporosis. Watermelon helps with muscle recovery? False. Even though it is a source of magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, essential for muscle functioning, watermelons are low in proteins, the main nutrient for muscle recovery. So this fruit isn't the most recommended for your muscles. Watermelon causes weight gain? False. Watermelon can actually help you lose weight. After all, it is low in fats, cholesterol, and calories, meaning that it won't be stored as fat in the body. It also has high fiber contents, which keep us satiated for longer, promoting weight loss and improving intestinal functioning. And more, watermelon has citrulline, an amino acid that turns into arginine in the body. Arginine has an important role in the synthesis of proteins, and so fat burn. Watermelon increases satiety? True. As we mentioned in the item about weight loss, this is one of the reasons. The big amounts of liquid and fiber of watermelon help keep us satiated for longer, stopping us from snacking all the time. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Eating watermelon at night is bad for the health? False. Many people believe that eating watermelon at night can be harmful to health, but there are no scientific studies that prove the fruit brings any harm at night. Diabetics can't eat watermelon? False. However, diabetic people must eat watermelon in moderation since it is sweet. It also depends on the type and seriousness of the diabetes of each person. The best thing is to ask your doctor what is the safe amount for your case. Watermelon affects eye health? True. Watermelon can help protect the eyes, preventing diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. This is because of antioxidant substances found in watermelons, like beta-carotene, vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin. You can't mix watermelon and milk? False. Just like the myth of not eating watermelons at night, the harm of consuming watermelon and milk are also baseless. There are no studies that prove this combination is harmful to our health. You can't eat the seeds? False. Seeds have always had a bad reputation, but usually there is no problem in eating them. However, you need to be careful since some seeds may be harmful when ingested in big amounts, although it is not the case with watermelon seeds. Even so, you should still eat them in moderation, as their high levels of fiber may cause diarrhea. So, did you know all those things about watermelons? Juicy, fresh, and sweet. This is watermelon. Now that you know more about this fruit, you can eat it without guilt. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.